Hello and welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to write the equation of a line using the point-slope form. This is a fundamental skill that makes writing linear equations much easier when you don't start with the y-intercept. Let's start by looking at the formula itself. It reads as y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. This specific arrangement is designed for situations where you know the slope of the line and the coordinates of just one point on that line. To use this correctly, you need to know what each part represents. The letter m stands for the slope of the line. The variables x1 and y1 represent the specific coordinates of the point you are given. The plane x and y stay as variables in your final equation. Let's try a straightforward example. Suppose you need to write the equation of a line that has a slope of 2 and passes through the point 3, 4. Here, our slope m is 2, and our point coordinates are 3 and 4. Now, we simply plug these numbers into our formula. The y value of 4 goes with the y, and the x value of 3 goes with the x. The slope of 2 goes in front of the parenthesis. So, the equation becomes y minus 4 equals 2 times x minus 3. Things get a little trickier when negative numbers are involved. Let's look at a new example. Here, the slope is negative 3, and our line passes through the point negative 2, 5. Notice the negative sign on the x-coordinate. When we substitute negative 2 into the formula, it looks like x minus negative 2. Remember that subtracting a negative is the same as adding. So, we simplify this to read x plus 2. The final equation is y minus 5 equals negative 3 times x plus 2. Let's visualize what we just wrote. Here is the graph of that equation. You can see the point negative 2, 5 marked in red. From there, the line follows the slope of negative 3, going down 3 units and right 1 unit. The equation matches the line perfectly. You might be wondering why we use this form instead of the popular slope-intercept form, or y equals mx plus b point slope is actually faster when you don't know the y-intercept yet. It is the best starting point for writing equations, while slope-intercept is usually better for graphing them later. To recap, writing equations in point-slope form involves 4 simple steps. Identify your slope, identify your point coordinates, plug them into the respective spots in the formula, and finally, be very careful to flip the signs if you are plugging in negative coordinates.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.